What is up? It is Jordan from Buy 9 to 5 helping you say goodbye to your 9 to 5. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys some brand new examples that are completely exploding right now because they are targeting the right niches at the right times. I'm also going to show you guys how you can outsource and automate this content so that you can make videos just like this at home without having to have any skill or knowledge on how to do it. Outsourcing and automation are something that's becoming more and more important in 2020. We need to start learning new, simple ways that we can kind of make the video more unique and make it our own. So I've just finished shooting well over half an hour of content on how to outsource and how to create an automation assembly line so that you can automate parts or all of your videos that you make. This is something a lot of my students have been asking for, and I could have charged them money for it, but I decided, no, I'm just gonna do it as a free update for my students. I'm always updating the course with new information, and this is literally a whole new technique that I could have charged money for, but I put it in the course for free. So that's in both Make Money on YouTube Made Easy and the YouTube Advanced Masterclass. And those bonuses are only gonna be for a limited time, so if you do wanna check that out, link in the description for those. So as you can see, I just announced this in our private Facebook group 19 hours ago. Already 33 engagements and 24 comments, and so far the students are loving these updates. We just added a brand new method for getting monetized within 2 weeks. That's actually an announcement that I made right here a couple days ago. As you can see, 48 engagements and 61 comments on that. People are loving that right now. Students are getting monetized like absolutely crazy, and then with this new outsourcing and automation, they're able to basically go in and then learn how to outsource and how to automate this content so they can pump out their own original content on these newly monetized channels, stay within YouTube guidelines as things change in 2020, and be able to create original content without having to actually have any skills with the camera. Just recently launched the spaceship, and so because of that, there's actually some really viral videos going on right now. These are videos that literally were posted a couple of years ago, and they're actually just blowing up right now. That's because everyone's searching for Elon Musk. So as you can see, the video has ads on it. What you'll notice is that this is just a very well put together documentary with some commentary over it. So just taking a lot of clips that you find from YouTube and things like that, putting them together into a nice little edited montage, right? And then just doing some commentary over it. So, you know, you always have the option of doing the commentary yourself, but you can always outsource this content, which later in this video I'm actually going to show you exactly how to do that. But it's actually really simple. And so as you can see here, this channel only has 9,000 subs, but this video has 1,600,000 views on it. So if we go and look at their channel really quickly, we'll see that they've done this a few times. So the other one they did is Kylie Jenner, and as you can see, that one's blowing up recently as well. Same reason, because she's been in the news a lot lately. So as you can see here, this one has ads as well. So, you know, just killing it with these two videos. And these are videos that are really simple to make. Inside the course, I've put a bunch of updates showing you guys, you know, how to make your own content that's your own organic creation that is going to be unique in YouTube's eyes, but at the same time, you're not on camera, you're not showing your face, you're not talking in the microphone, and you don't even have to edit the videos if you don't know how. And so that's something that really is huge that I added into both of our courses, where you literally pay maybe $5 to $20, and then you can turn around and make the kind of numbers and money that these guys are making off the video. So all you need to learn, you know, search engine optimization, titles, tags, thumbnails, all those important things, and how to research those things correctly. So if we take the 1,800,000 views or so that one video had, and then we add to it 490,927 here, so off those two videos alone, that's over 2 million views. So if we multiply those views by about a 7% click-through rate, meaning about 7% of your audience clicks on an ad, and then you multiply this by about 3 cents per ad click, you will see about $4,800 off of two videos. How you can either literally make this exact video yourself for free, or how you can literally pay about $20 to get this video made. So say you paid $20 per video, okay? Well, that's 40 bucks. You still made so out of $4,810 earnings, take out 40 bucks, and literally your profit's $4,770. And what I don't think people understand about outsourcing is that people are like, why would people offer their services in outsourcing when they could just create their own YouTube channel. And the fact is, they're either too lazy or they don't understand YouTube. They don't know how to do SEO. They don't know how to do topic and niche research. They might not even know how much money you can make from ads on YouTube. Or they just might be too lazy to build a YouTube channel. So regardless of what the reason is, they have prices and you pay that price and they give you what you ask for. So let me show you a quick example. So if we head on over to a place like Fiverr, you will see, look at this guy right here. Starting at $5, this guy will literally make voiceovers for you. And so if you go here, you literally get a sample of what his work sounds like.
Hello, Fiverr. My name is Chad Allen Shirley, and I've been doing voice work for nearly 25 years.
And so what's really cool is, as you can see here, a number of words, 400. He will do a 400-word voiceover for you for $5. So you can literally take some Creative Commons clips, you can put them together, right? You know, as 2020 moves on, so a lot of times people can get by just doing that. But what I've been doing to my videos and my channels is adding some voiceovers. As you can see, these things are $5 to $10 to add a good voiceover to your videos. It keeps it safe from getting demonetized. At the same time, you're literally paying almost no money to get this done. Literally, you hit continue, and then you can check out with PayPal or whatever, and it will be delivered within